Welcome to the next question in our CK mock question series. We have to create a daemon set with this name, with this image, with this the labels. We have some request to do that daemon sets, and it's gonna run on the control planes as well. So we need to apply the toleration. Let's copy this YAML because we cannot create a daemon set with the help of imperative command. That's why we are using this. Correct me if I am wrong, because as far as I know we can't do so. That's why I just said we have a pod of the daemon set request. Okay, we have a request something, so there is no way, there is no need to mention the limits because there is no limits it's defined in the question. So we have some request 10 millicore for CPU and 10 maybe byte. Okay, the image they have just mentioned, and the question, okay, this is the image they just mentioned in a name, create a dimension name deployment with the image. Okay, no schedule, node role dot kubernetes.io control plane. Quite strange. Okay, we have some labels they just mentioned here. We're gonna use that labels. Okay, this one is one of the label, this one is second label. We're gonna match this label and the specifications as well. So let's do this copy and paste. It would reduce our time. And template also. Okay, get nodes. Okay, describe node. This is the control plane one. Grep -i and ops. This is the mistake which I have did. Something key mistake. piq11.yaml toleration key control shift v node.toolcommunities.io control plane no schedule. Okay, it's already there. The name of the containers, there is no such thing, so sorry, I think we missed the name of the daemon sets. This would be an important part, otherwise we're gonna lose the marks. Okay, create -f q11.yaml. Okay, get pods -wide. Let's see, it should have 3 pods. What's the name of pod? Key got pods -wide. Okay, Seriously, let's see what is it doing wrong. It's not showing any pod here. Sorry, my bad. It should be in this namespace. Sometime it happens. There is no pod running with this name kget daemon sets -n project tiger. Seriously, it's not. Where did I create it? Oh no, my bad. It has been created in this namespace, that's why we are not able to see it. This kind of silly mistakes could happen, so better you guys watch it properly. Now 3 pods are running. They all are running on different node: cluster 1 node, cluster control plane, cluster plane node 2. Let's delete which we have created by mistakes. DS important. Otherwise it would be a problem.
Thank you for watching. See you in next video.